Hey everyone, welcome to Health. We are continuing on our discussion about physical activity and nutrition. We're going to switch over a little bit from physical activity to nutrition today. And we have some fun things to talk about and some fun things to do today. I'm excited. I love today's lesson. Okay, here we go. So we're talking first about our warm-up. So the quote, "You are what you eat." So that you hear that a lot. You are what you eat. Do you believe that quote is meant to be accurate? Is that meant to be like a true saying, right? So not, when you think about it, not like you are a banana, like you are what you actually put into your body, but in a more figurative way. Do you feel like that quote is meant to be accurate? Is that meant to be an accurate statement of what is said? So basically, like if you are eating good foods, then you're going to be feeling good and feeling healthy. If you are eating crappy foods, you are going to be feeling crappy and unhealthy. So that is kind of what the quote means. Do you believe it's meant to be accurate? Do you believe it's meant to be an accurate portrayal? Like, if you eat this, you'll feel this way. If you eat this, you'll feel that way. And speaking of those things, what did you eat for breakfast and how do you feel today as you're moving through your day? So that's the second part of the warm-up. What did you eat for breakfast and how does that make you feel? Okay, so that's our warm-up today. Once you finish with your warm-up, you're moving into your notes. Okay, you do not need to write this down. Along with physical activity, another lifestyle choice that you have control over is what you eat. Humans need the nutrients in food to keep their bodies running well and to stay healthy. Okay, so just like we talked about yesterday, we talked about being physically active 30 to 60 minutes, trying to get moderate to vigorous exercise 3 to 6 times a week. That makes you feel better in all aspects of your life, but you can't do that. You can't be physically active like that without the proper nutrients in your body. You've got to put the proper food into your body to be able to perform at your top level. It makes you feel better, not just for exercise purposes, but you have more energy to focus on schoolwork. You usually aren't as cranky, so you're kinder and you're nicer. You're less likely to go off on someone or to get an attitude with somebody when you're fueling your body with healthy foods. So exercise and healthy eating combined just generally improve all areas of your life. They improve all aspects, all of everything. In fact, there are some people that are even learning how to treat diseases by healthy eating. So some people don't even get chemo for their cancers because a switch in how they eat has been proven to be effective in controlling that cancer, even removing that cancer from their body. So I'm not saying that's how you should do it. Obviously, you should talk to the doctors and things like that. But there's a lot of evidence out there showing that healthy eating can reduce a lot of those risks of those diseases. Okay, so an empty calorie. We're going to talk about empty calories, but through this little demonstration I have in just a second. An empty calorie is a unit of energy supplied by food that provides the body with no nutrients and gives the body extra calories, leading to weight gain. Okay, so empty calorie, a unit of energy supplied by food that provides the body with no nutrients and gives the body extra calories, which leads to weight gain. So the biggest component of that is sugar. Sugar is the main culprit of empty calories in food, and we're going to do a quick demonstration about that right now. So let's move over here. Okay, we're talking about drinks. Okay, let me see where I can set you up so that you can see this okay here. Okay. All right, so talking about drinks, we are going to just see how much sugar. So I'm going to put this up a little bit higher to make sure you can see everything. We're going to talk about how sugar plays a major role in the empty calories and how much sugar is in the stuff that you drink. So let me try one more thing to get you up a little bit higher here to be able to see a little bit better. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this bottle of Coke right here. So if you're looking at this, you can see the sugars on here. You can't see it very well. I wonder if I can focus a little bit better. Okay. Well, you can't see it very well. For some reason, it doesn't want to focus in on there. But 65 grams, if you can see that. It's 65 grams of sugar in this bottle of Coke, okay? 65 grams is a ton. And just to show you what that looks like, 1 spoonful of sugar is equal to 4 grams, okay? So 4 grams of sugar into 65. Can anyone do the math? How many spoonfuls of sugar? So you're dividing 65 by 4, right? How many teaspoons of sugar are we putting into our cup here? Anyone figure it out? It's about 16. So just to show you what that looks like, so a teaspoon of sugar is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that's halfway, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 teaspoons of sugar are going into this can of Coke, or this bottle of Coke. This is 20 fluid ounces. So I'm not sure if you can see that from where you're at, but this is 20 fluid ounces. This cup is 16 ounces, okay? So just a little bit higher, this whole bottle would fit into this cup. This is how much sugar you are drinking every time you drink 20 ounces of Coke, okay? And for those of you that think lemonade is better, you are definitely wrong. So lemonade is 67 grams of sugar. So when you are looking, hopefully you can see this one a little better than you can see the Coke. Oh, there it is, 67 grams of sugar. So when you look at your sugar that goes into your Coke, you're talking another teaspoon is in the same as the lemonade. Okay, I'm going to come right back in a second video.